We've taken noise protection into our own hands. Budapest Airport is spending more than 1 billion HUF over 3 years to reduce noise levels in homes. We care about our neighbors, so we follow international best practice when it comes to noise protection. For more than 10 years, we've been providing the owners of residential buildings most affected by aircraft noise with the opportunity to have their windows insulated or replaced. In recent years, hundreds of residential buildings around the airport have been fitted with modern noise protection. We're ambitious. We're constantly renewing our campaign to make life easier for more people. From the fall of 2022, we've extended the area of eligibility and are making the benefits of advanced noise protection available to even more residents. 4,000 households will be eligible to apply. For undisturbed sleep, we even provide soundproof ventilators so residents can sleep in fresh air without opening bedroom windows. A new chapter in the life of the airport is noise protection for public buildings. We're soundproofing or modernizing surrounding schools and kindergartens as required. We've installed state-of-the-art noise monitoring equipment to ensure that we always have up-to-date information on aircraft noise. The data, i.e. the trajectory and the noise burdens of aircraft, can be tracked and checked online by anyone with just a few clicks, even retrospectively. We've prohibited aircraft engine testing at night to ensure a more relaxed night around the airport. We encourage airlines to schedule their flights outside the most important time of rest, the so-called period of deep sleep. We care about being a good neighbor. Budapest Airport, gateway to sustainability.